So this the course for all first-year students. So you might need to get familiar with our CTU black box system. This is a school system. So you enter your ID. So I log in, right? Now is the e-portal. You have the e-portal, hit the e-portal. So where to find your course? Here. Come to my course on the right hand side. CM10161 is an information system. So you see, you see the announcement, not yet, the learning outcome, the course information, which I show you, and then start information, course document. Here you can download the lecture notes and the tutorial PowerPoint. All these are PowerPoint. Assignment will update very soon. So you manage it like that. If you don't have problem, we come to our lecture. So this is our lecture, first lecture. Simply give you a brief introduction to the basic concept of understanding information. So the topic will include data and information, creating information, quality of information. For data and information, data raw facts or observation, they are considered to have little or low value until it's processed. So you need to be transformed, need to be interpreted. Before interpretation is meaningless. One of a common definition is a series of a long random symbol. Long random. What's random? Random then means a equal probability of occurrence for every element. So it's long random. That means it could be interpreted. So I simply give you a very brief overview of our lecture. You should attend lecture, attend class. So give you I will go through it very briefly in this video. So we have different data, numeric, upper numeric alphabet, audio, visual, video. Information should be processed and more meaningful. There's some meaning. For example, 3.5 might be just data, meaningless. But if I interpret as a 3.5 jobless rate, so it becomes information for some purpose. For example, unemployment rate, employment market interpretation analysis. So, of course, interpreted by the recipient, the user. So there's a meta perception, how much he understand and interpret the data, the phenomenon. So example for sales forecast, bank statement, or chart of a trend, something like that. Knowledge more than information, because it goes for reasoning process in accumulation of experience or influence. So a reasoning process, you develop your own knowledge, you create your new concept on top of the information that in turn is derived from the long random data. So this is the basic data processing, the typing, information management. How to summarize the information, the pattern, for example, standard deviation, mean, something like that. Knowledge, you know it, right? You understand and you develop new concept, new knowledge. Then you should be able to predict the future. Predicting the future is our key aim of analysis. Second topic, creating information. How to create information? Data transformation, process information. Process the meaningless data become information. We are using five approach: classification, we are arranging, sorting, aggregating, that means summation, performing calculation, selection, any selection criteria for screening. Information are more meaningful. Okay. The purpose of using information is to reduce uncertainty. to increase the level of confidence in making the right decision. So data process type, so the one approach classification, how to separate into different category. So it's for easy of understanding. We need to arrange the classify the data in different tab, in different way. We arrange or sorting. We need the order. Then it will be easier for us to know what's going on, how the data look like, and the aggregation, summarizing sigma, performance calculation, multiply or division, selection, choosing, discarding some item according to some key criteria, selection criteria. Value of information, tangible value, that means it can be tangible, that means more easier for us to describe or measure, for example, monetary term. The intangible, that means more difficult for us to describe or to measure. For example, quality of decision making. So these are the sample. You see, all these are tangible, intangible, surface, noted image. All this can be measured, but these intangible elements are more difficult to measure. But they can measure anyway. Everything in our universe can be measured. All these are measurable, depending on what scale you are going to use. And then source of information. We have formal communication, structure, consistent news report. Informal, maybe causal relation, causal conversation, casual conversation, ad hoc report. So it's irregular. Okay, third topic, quality of information. Of course, with bad information, garbage in, of course we have garbage out. So we need top quality information. Otherwise, how can we make good quality decision? So usually, quality of information or the feature of information can be measured or described in terms of time, content, and form. Okay, these are the table. Time, timeless, currency. Currency, that means is it current or in the past. Period of time, reference, completion, conciseness, scope, that means the area. The form, is it clear or not? Are the confidence in source, is it reliable? Usually TV broadcast is more reliable. Okay, the form dimension. Okay,